Hey guys, TechRoam here, and today I want to show you guys the best tech under $50 featuring Native Union. So thank you Native Union for sending me out these products for review. So for the first part of the video, I'm going to show you guys these amazing cables. First one is the belt cable, and I specifically wanted the micro USB versions because I have too many iPhone cables. And this is actually really nice. The unboxing experience is really pleasant. At first sight, this cable looks absolutely amazing. With this leather finish of this cable management, you can tie this cable really easily and in a really compact form. The cables do come in two variants, the micro USB version and the iPhone version. Just a pretty nice cable all in all. Next up, we have the Native Union night cable, and this is a 3-meter cable which is suitable for your bedroom. This cable is really long and it has this braided textured finish which feels really nice and sturdy, and it's really durable. The main feature of this cable is the ball, and this ball is weighted and you can actually move it around. So you put it on your bed or your desk and the cable will always stay there without moving. I personally think both is a must-have, one in the bedroom and one that's portable. So next up we have the Native Union dock for iPhone, and this felt really premium. The unboxing experience was absolutely amazing. Everything was packaged really nicely and we have the instruction manual and everything basically. So with the dock we have this cable management system, and inside here we have two adapters for a cable, one for a case and one without the case. So basically if you have a case with your phone, you use the one with a case. They are different, slightly different, because if you have a case on a phone, you add a bit of thickness. So install is really easy, you just slide it up your any cable you have, but this cable is the belt cable specifically, and it fits perfectly. The installment process is really snug and it has really tight fit. On the bottom of the dock there is a cable management system, and here we have the metal dock rest which is inserted into the dock really easily. Here's my Samsung Galaxy S7, as you can see, it fits perfectly and it looks really nice actually. It has a really minimalistic design and I think it's a must-have. Last but not least, we have the Native Union jump cable, and this is a really smart concept. Basically this is a power bank that also acts as a cable. It's compact and lightweight, it has this auto charge technology, it gives your phone a power boost and it supports high-speed charging. So how it works is that basically it's a normal cable that you charge for your iPhone. However, when you're charging the iPhone, you're actually charging a power bank in between the cable. So as you can see, here's my power bank and it's charging my phone. But in here, this is like the power bank that's in a power bank, if you know what I mean. And it charges this power bank. So when you don't have a power source, you have this extra bit of juice from this power bank. So it's a really cool concept. Make sure to check them out at nativeunion.com. Sorry for not uploading for a while, I've been really busy, but I'll try to upload more, and yeah, thanks for watching guys, I'll see you guys next time.